When I was young, my face was fresh, simple, naive, childlike. I drew very complicated pictures with a fine crow-quill pen. Lots of cross-hatching, textures, shading, heavy with psychological overtones. Now I'm older. My face is lined, circles under the eyes, double chin. You know, character. And my drawings are very simple, childlike, naive. You have to be naive to stand in line, waiting your turn to be photographed. Very complicated pictures with a fine crow-quill.
Complicated pictures. complicated pictures, 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 complicated pictures.
When I was young, my face was fresh, simple, naive, childlike. I drew very complicated pictures with a fine crow-quill pen. Lots of cross-hatching, textures, shading, heavy with psychological overtones. Now I'm older. My face is lined, circles under the eyes, double chin. You know, character. And my drawings are very simple, childlike, naive. You have to be naive to stand in line, waiting for your turn to be photographed.